Make money on Amazon in 2023. If you're worried that you've missed the e-commerce boat, don't worry. It's just getting moving. While several e-commerce companies like eBay, Shopify, Walmart, and Etsy can make selling products online easy, in my experience, the best way to make money online is with Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e-commerce. In 2022, Amazon raked in $502 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by third-party sales. But what can you do to get a piece of the Amazon pie? There are tons of great ways to earn cash on Amazon, so to help you find what method might work best for you, this video dives into the top ways to make money on Amazon in 2023. 1. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. The best way to make money on Amazon in 2023 is still through private label sales using Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon FBA network. Around 59% of all Amazon sellers run their business using the private label method. Private label is a process of manufacturing a pre-existing item, preferably with product improvements, putting your branding and logos on it, and selling it to consumers. Sometimes it is referred to as white labeling or brand creation. The process has been around for years and is common in countless retail stores. Target's Mainstays brand and Walmart's Great Value are two examples of private label brands. Thanks to FBA, Amazon is able to deliver your products, typically in 2 days or fewer. What you likely know as Amazon Prime. This is how e-commerce business owners can list goods on Amazon and make money from the sales. Amazon makes private labeling even easier thanks to a number of advantages. First, you can use a tool like Jungle Scout, the all-in-one platform for selling on Amazon, to estimate the sales your product will make once it's on Amazon. Next, it's easy to source and manufacture your products with the help of platforms like Alibaba or Jungle Scout's supplier database. Finally, after you've created your product, you can sell it on Amazon using FBA. You don't even have to ship your own orders. How much money can I make selling private label products on Amazon? Approximately $625 to $1,875 per month per product. Over half, 56%, of private label sellers earn $5,000 or more in monthly sales, and nearly two-thirds, 59%, have profit margins over 16%. Among private label sellers who have more than a year of selling experience, 20% have earned over $10,000 in lifetime profits. 2. Publish your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allows you to publish your own books on Amazon. In addition to digital format, you can print actual copies of your book too. The only catch with this option is that you usually need to write somewhat prolifically in order to find success. Though it is possible to publish 1 or 2 wildly popular books, volume is the true name of the publishing game. The more you write, the more you make. If you're not a great writer or don't have any ideas for a book, you can also make money with KDP by creating what's called low-content books. This basically means creating journals, coloring books, word search books, planners, and so on. How much money can I make writing for KDP? Up to $40,000 per month. I've heard that some authors make as much as $40,000 per month. These writers, however, tend to be prolific and write topically to gain notice. Once you write the material, you don't have to write it again, nor do you have to worry about inventory. 3. Sell wholesale goods on Amazon. Similar to private label, selling wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to resell on Amazon. The primary difference, however, is that you are selling other companies' products. Therefore, you don't have to worry about manufacturing and branding the products. This is one of the most popular ways to make money on Amazon. How much money can I make selling wholesale goods on Amazon? Up to $3,000, $4,000 per month. While wholesaling on Amazon has become notoriously more difficult in the last few years, it's still a great way to earn money. Note that it is a lot more competitive than the private label market, since you'll likely be sharing the buy box with other resellers. So it can sometimes be a race to the bottom on prices, where the only lever sellers have to compete with each other is through lowering their price relative to their competitors. Plus, the profit is all in the buy. If you can't buy your goods for a low enough price, you won't make money. Still, 61% of wholesale sellers on Amazon make $5,000 or more in monthly sales, which is nothing to sniff at. 4. Deliver goods for Amazon. By now, you probably know that Amazon has its own delivery service. But did you know that you can join Amazon's delivery fleet as a driver? Amazon's Flex program allows you to do just that. All you have to do is answer a quick questionnaire, download their app, and if you're accepted, you start making money. Think of it as Uber, but for Amazon deliveries. How much money can I make on Amazon working as a Flex driver? Approximately $100 plus per day. According to Flex's homepage, Amazon pays drivers between $18, $25 per hour, and the shifts are typically 5 hours long. I've also heard that even if drivers finish their shifts early, they still get compensated for the entire 5 hours. Not a bad deal for $100 plus per day. 5. Become a blogger. Ever wanted to start a lifestyle blog, publish how-to videos or recipes, or otherwise get your thoughts and ideas published? You can make money from Amazon while doing that. Picture this. You find a cool product on Amazon, send your friends the link, and if they buy it, you get paid a commission. On your blog, or social media page, or even email. That link goes out to quite a few more folks, so you can make quite a bit more money in commissions. That's how Amazon's Associates program works. Amazon Associates is an affiliate program where you sign up to get special links that only you can share. Once you share the link and a purchase is made, you earn a percentage of the sale. How much money can I make as an Amazon affiliate? This money-making method varies greatly in its returns. The Amazon Associates program is probably the most popular affiliate program on the internet. While the commission percentages aren't particularly high, usually only 3 to 5%, the conversion rates and volume you receive from sharing those links make up for it. 6. Become an Amazon influencer. Another branch of the Amazon Associates program is their Amazon Influencer program, where you have your own dedicated storefront on Amazon with products you love and recommend. You can also create videos reviewing products and have those videos displayed on the actual product listing on Amazon. When a customer views your video, then makes a purchase, you will earn a small commission. This way of making money with Amazon has become very popular with influencers on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, where they will refer viewers to their Amazon storefronts to purchase about the very products they're talking about. The best part is, you don't need to have a massive following to get approved. You can still get approved even if you only have a couple hundred followers. You can apply to the program with your Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube account. But if you are applying with Instagram or Facebook, make sure you have a business or creator account. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.